The festive season is almost here, and we at Kalpavastram have the most beautiful Kanjivaram silk sarees which are perfect for all the festivals coming up ahead. Today I am going to showcase a beautiful exclusive collection of lovely Kanjivaram silk sarees with pure zari. So let's get started with this festive collection. We begin with a gorgeous Mubbagam sari. Mubbagam means three parts, and the sari is called so because the width of the sari is divided into three distinct portions. This is a Mubbagam sari in very traditional colors. You can see the upper part in a rust orange kind of shade. The middle portion is in arakku or maroon, and the lower portion is in mandular or short green. Now the upper and lower portions of the sari have this beautiful Malatuli or raindrop motifs all over done in zari. The middle portion has paisleys and rudraksham motifs done in zari on this maroon base. So it's a very traditional, very beautiful combination, perfect for this festive season. The grand pallu of this beautiful sari is in a lovely deep red, and it has manga and peacock motifs all done in zari. So this is a grand sari perfect for special occasions during this festive period. The sari comes with a blouse fabric like this in the same colors as the body of the sari with the same Malatuli motifs in the upper and lower portions. But you can pair it either with this blouse or with a blouse in green or maroon or orange. Any of these festive colors will look perfectly beautiful with this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari. Accessorize it with some traditional gold jewelry and you're all set for this festive season. Kattans or checks are an important design that we find in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari for you in lovely shades and with all over checks. The body of this beautiful sari is very festive, and it has all over kattam or grids in a combination of shades of pinkish arakku, that is a pinkish maroon, and rustish orange kind of shades. The borders are in a beautiful pinkish arakku, and if you see, the body has these beautiful zari grids. This festive sari has an equally festive pallu in a lovely pinkish maroon shade, and it has seeparekar done in zari. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in this pinkish maroon arakku kind of shade, but you can pair it with a blouse in similar shades but in a lighter color palette, and you can accessorize it with some coral jewelry to give it a lovely look. Pink is a very pretty and very festive color, and when it has some lovely zari on it, then the effect is very mesmerizing. We have a lovely pink Kanjivaram silk sari next for you. The body of the stunning sari has small zari buttas, and the body is in a lovely shade, two-tone shade or dudcham shade of pink. So you can see the dudcham effect like this, and the borders have beautiful vanki motifs done in zari. The grand pallu of this beautiful sari has intricate zari motifs of Mail Chakram, Pakshis and Vankis. Now this is a very stunning sari, and actually I'm finding it hard to get the right words to describe the effect and the beauty of this gorgeous sari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a contrast blouse like ivory, bottle green, orange, and you can accessorize it with lovely diamond jewelry. A lovely Kanjivaram silk sari in another festive color, that is orange. This one has beautiful Annam Chakram motifs all over the body in zari. This is a color which spells happiness and positivity, and you can see beautiful zari motifs all over the body. The borders have lovely Banaras motifs done in zari, and there are also cute elephants along the borders also done in zari. There is a row of temple borders on the other side of the body. The pallu is a grand pallu, and lot of detailing has gone into the pallu. You can see beautiful zari motifs of Vanki and Mail Chakram done in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can take a cue from Neeta Ambani's style and pair it with a beautiful Rani pink blouse You can accessorize this with some lovely emerald or ruby jewelry and look like a queen. The Queen of Kanjivaram's, the Vairavoosi in a stunning royal blue is what we have for you now. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely shade of royal blue and there are zari butchas and Vairavoosi lines running all over the sari, running all over the length of the sari. The borders of this beautiful sari have lovely funky motifs done in zari and there is a green selvage which highlights the beauty of this gorgeous body. The elaborate grand pallu of this beautiful sari has Mail Chakram in zari along with some funky motifs also done in zari. Royal blue is one of my favorite colors and I have a very similar sari from my own wedding trousseau which is very dear to me and it looks absolutely fabulous when you drape it. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric but you can pair it with a beautiful gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with some lovely gold jewelry and that will create a regal and stunning look. Up next, we have a lovely, simple Kanjivaram silk in black and this is perfect for office wear. The body of the sari is black and there is a zari stripe at the edge. The pallu of this beautiful sari has Sipirekku in zari. It has a running blouse fabric in black but given that it is completely black, you can pair it with many contrast blouses and create a different look each time. You can accessorize it based on the kind of blouse you choose and you can create different looks every time you drape this versatile Kanjivaram. Palum Padamum is an iconic design in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a lovely traditional no zari Korvai Kanjivaram Palum Padamum sari now for you. The body of this beautiful Palum Padamum sari has kattam or checks in colors of maroon, black, mustardish and shades in between these. The borders are Korvai borders. You can see the temples alongside the Korvai and the borders are in yellow color. The pallu of the sari is in yellow and it is a no zari Kanjivaram silk sari. It has a yellow blouse fabric but you can pair it with a blouse in black or maroon also. Even a bottle green blouse will look nice with it. You can pair it with traditional gold jewelry to create a beautiful festive look. A Kanjivaram silk sari with podi kattam that is very tiny checks in beautiful colors of maroon and rust orange is the next one for you. The body of this festive sari has small kattam in orangish rust and maroon and there are beautiful small zari butchas all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders but there is a zari stripe at the edge of the sari. The gorgeous green pallu of the sari has beautiful zari motifs of pakshis, mail and diamond motifs all done in zari. The sari comes with a green blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely emerald jewelry. We now have for you another Palum Padamum kattam sari, this one with smaller checks. This is my favorite sari from today's collection. The body of the sari has checks or small kattams in a color combination of black, pink and shades of mustard. The borders are Korvai borders and they are in pink and they have beautiful paisley motifs done in zari. The pallu of the sari is a work of art and it's done using adai weaving and we can see beautiful motifs of yana that is elephant, kudara that is horses. Then we see beautiful Mailkand motifs and there are also beautiful Arai Madam motifs on this pallu. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a deep pink and it has the same borders as the sari. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a blouse in any of the colors from the body colors and that will look absolutely beautiful. Accessorize this with some lovely diamond jewelry and all eyes are sure to be on you. Our festive collection of beautiful exclusive Kanjivaram silk sarees is available on our website www.kalpavastram.com. You can directly shop for these sarees from our website. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with many more sarees during this festive season. Till then, take care.